We're Neil and Sue, and this is our new life in the sun.
3 years into our new life in the sun, and we've learned it's not all postcard sunshine. Sometimes it's bin dramas, the heat, and figuring out local life. Quesada's changing fast. We've got new bars and restaurants to check out, our own local fiesta, and bits you need to know if you're heading over soon. But right now, the whole town has gone absolutely mad for the World Cup. We're watching Spain's games in the local bars, and you don't want to miss the final at the crazy Quesada High Street party. One of the biggest bones of contention in Quesada is that the House Council don't empty the bins often enough. These bins here are an absolute disgrace. But is it the council's fault? Or is it the people who dumped the rubbish here? Like, those are huge cardboard boxes. They could have been flattened them down to make them smaller. You just can't dump your rubbish like that because it just blows absolutely everywhere. Just look at the state of these bins. It's the cardboard ones which seem to be the problem. They're absolutely rammed there. So people are just dumping their rubbish by the side instead of taking it somewhere else or saving it for when the bins are empty. So they just dump it down. There's even books left there. Quite often it's the Brits that seem to get the bad names, but these books are definitely not in English. Why don't people crush the boxes? They would all go completely flat then and go in the bin. To struggle to get past the pavement here. No one would get past if they're in a wheelchair or a pram. And not everything's perfect in Quesada. This is always a dump. This area behind these shops. Great. That's the arches just there. And yet this area here is always like a complete dump. I wish someone would tidy it up. The owners that operate these businesses really should tidy up their own area and make it look more presentable to everyone. This part of Quesada always stinks of cat wee. It's absolutely disgusting here. Just before the linen mills and the gym. I don't know whether it's that kind of derelict property there. Oh yeah, there's cats there. Go satellite, is it? It's World Cup quarter-final night here in Quesada. And it's Belgium v Spain. And the majority of the people in Quesada High Street are wearing Spanish t-shirts. It's absolutely buzzing here. It's got big screen TVs out. All the tables are reserved for later. About half an hour is kick-off time. Bars and things are absolutely mobbed tonight. We'll book the tables in advance for the party. Don Carlos has got a large TV and a DJ.
Quiere decir que hay un espacio ahí entre... Ya están, aquí la banda. De sus dominios para quedarse con la pelota.
Spain just scored. We've been to the Spanish end of town for the first half, and now we've come down. Now we've come down to the Belgian bar to see what's happening down there. Yeah, a lot of people. They've got the commentary in Belgian. It's a bit quieter here with Belgium being 1-0 down. Let's try again. Your time at the Belgian bar. 2-1 Spain. The crowd here have gone very quiet. Full time. Spain 2, Belgium 1. Regular viewers will know that Panache is where Sue usually goes for a haircut, but it closed a few weeks ago. So this is all closed up now. And this is where the girls from Panache have moved. It's Velura. To locate it, it's just to the right of Quesada Fish and Chips and just to the left of Quesada Bowling. So while Sue's at the hairdressers, I'll just wander around Quesada and see what's happening. The Chinese restaurant near the Arches had been closed for weeks and weeks, but it's reopened again now after a major refit. Beautiful inside now. When you see it in the dark, it's all nice neon lights, LEDs inside, and they've put all nice marble on the outside. Very nice now. Let's head through the Arches and into town. Feels that and a bit more. It's very humid. There's There's not many people out and about on Quesada High Street. It's just way too hot for people to be sitting. It's almost deserted. Next door to the old Smart Shop used to be the International Supermarket. They closed just before Christmas. Something's happening. They're retiling inside. They must be getting ready to maybe reopen. I wonder what that's going to be. Right next to the Chop Shop, there's a new Sinead's Tavern. This used to be quite a run-down bar. We'd never think about going into it. This is actually quite nice now. Like the same people who run Sinead's Bar. I've never seen this car park so empty. You normally struggle to find a space here at all, and there's absolutely loads of spaces today. It's just too hot to be out and about. It's way too hot to be wandering around anymore. I'm just going to call into the Fika Cafe and have a cold drink while I wait for Sue. No, I won't. It's closed. They're still working on the motorhome park here. Got the walls and things up now, and they're working hard on it today. There's diggers and things around and men working, but this was meant to be ready for this summer. I think it's going to be next summer now. Just come to Quesada High Street. It's just into the second half of the semi-final, France and Spain. We did know it was 1-0, and then we just got out of the car and heard a huge cheer, and we just heard another cheer now, so maybe it's 3-0. Let's have a look. 2-0. This is Quesada High Street, Spain-France semi-final. The road's been closed off. There's a barrier across the bottom there to stop people driving up.
There's 5 TV screens. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, actually 6.
Is that your birthday present?
They haven't even won yet.
No, that's just a semi-final. Absolutely scorching hot today in Quesada. We've been waiting months for rain. Wash all the dust and dirt off everything. Cars, walls, will be absolutely filthy tomorrow. It's the start of Quesada Fiesta this time. So it's our own hometown's Fiesta week. We've come down to see the giant Paella. It certainly is giant. What size is that? Proper wood-fired one. With a bonfire underneath. And it's smoking away. A bit hard to see what the scale of it is. Look at it. There's a man behind to give you a scale of how big that paella pan is. Free paella for everyone who comes down to enjoy the fiesta. This is the queue for the free paella.
What we do for free paella.
Absolutely. Queue for an hour.
See how long it takes us. It's 9 minutes past 2 when we start to queue. An hour maybe? 20 minutes.
Getting there, we're about halfway through the queue. Gracias. Very good. Tent's just about full now. Bingo time.
Now, it's higher is the 1A, 18, 5 and 1, 51. 73, 73.
How many did you need?
4, useless. And there goes the paella dish. Look at the size of it. It's World Cup final night. Spain against Argentina. And this is what Quesada High Street looks like tonight. We've got the road blocked off, and there's going to be a full-on party in the street all night. All the flags, team t-shirts. Just wondering how many Argentinians will be in the crowd. We are wearing red, Sue's wearing red, and I'm wearing red. Half an hour till kick-off. The restaurants and bars have expanded onto the road.
See?
Gracias.
Nada.
Viva España.
Viva España.
And Earth is Robbie Williams doing singing.
They're all there.
Oh, and that's Nicole Scherzinger.
Yeah.
Still 0-0 at half time, and now they've got the super halftime show now. That's only a red card. Celebrating a red card. Oh no. Great excitement, but the goal's been ruled off. I think it was handball, we're not sure. That was offside. Another one ruled off.
se va atrás, le dicen, si puedes marcharte, si quieres, campeones.
I hope you've enjoyed our update from Quesada, what's happening in and around the town. I thought Spain winning the World Cup was the perfect way to end.
Oh, hot and wet yet again.
Oh, it's absolutely boiling. All right then.
Adios.
Adios.